Hi everyone, on today's road trip we're going to look at a 1990 Cadillac Brougham de Elegance. This is a really pretty car. It's a very low mileage car. And we have Mike with us. Mike is the owner.
Hi everybody.
Mike, thanks for showing us your car.
My pleasure.
How many years have you had it?
I bought this in 2020, so 4 years now.
Really? How many miles are on it?
I'm currently at 4,600 original miles.
I guess you really didn't have to do much to it.
Not too much. Tires, at one point I did have to replace the water pump and a few belts. But other than that, fluid changes, it's basically as it came from the factory.
Wow. What color do they call this?
It's dark maple. Some folks call it autumn maple.
Dark maple.
Yeah.
It almost looks like it's a brownish, but it's, I guess, a deep burgundy.
Yeah, it's like a deep burgundy.
Yeah.
And it's a dark maple and leather interior.
Well, it's a really classy looking color combination. I see you've got true spoke wire wheels on it with the Cadillac emblems.
Yeah, wire wheels were an option from Cadillac, but I believe the manufacturer was Appliance. A previous owner, I think, installed these. These are actually Krager wire wheels, and the last owner ordered custom printed Cadillac center caps, inserts for the center caps.
Wow.
The car came from the factory and was delivered to the original owner with the standard 15-inch steel wheels with wire wheel covers.
Okay.
And at some point they were swapped out. I still have the original wheels and wheel covers and the original tires that came with the car when new.
Wow.
Stored away.
And it has how many miles again?
I'm currently at 4,600 miles.
Wow.
When I bought the car in 2020, right around the time of the pandemic, it had 1,060 miles on it.
Really?
The previous owner bought it from, I'm assuming, the original owner's estate in 2017, and at that time it had 1,030 miles on it. The original owner literally never drove it. He kept it tucked away in a garage and showed it off on weekends, but never drove it.
So this really drives like a brand new car.
It does drive like a brand new car.
I see you've got a lot of emblems up front here. Can you tell us about them?
Yeah. The previous owner was really quite well known and heavily involved with Cadillac LaSalle Club, AACA, and the Professional Car Society. So shortly after he bought it in 2017, he took it to a Cadillac LaSalle Club Grand National and immediately won what's called the Senior Crown and Wreath Award, which is basically the top award you can receive at a CLC Grand National.
Okay.
I believe it's 98 points or higher in terms of the points required to receive this level. This is just simply the Cadillac LaSalle Club badge, not associated with any awards. Previous owner also got a senior award with it in 2017, and unfortunately he passed away from COVID, I believe, in 2021. And I took it in 2022 to Virginia Beach and got its Grand National First Prize award.
That is really nice.
Yeah.
Very nice accomplishments to have on that. Now, this car I see has the gold package.
Yeah, this car has the Elegance package, which is some upgrades to the interior. The roof treatment, the vinyl treatment on the roof might be a little bit different versus a standard Brougham.
Okay.
And then also the gold package, which is gold accents on the hood ornament, badging, sail panel badging, and the trunk badging.
How about that? Adds a little bit of, cachet, I guess. Or
Yeah, it sets it apart a little bit.
Sets it apart a little bit. Can we open up the driver's door?
Sure.
Now, I was looking at this earlier, and there's virtually no wear in here at all.
No.
Even the leather doesn't look like it's cracked like leather sometimes
it's not
gets.
cracked. It's not worn. Again, the original owner and the gentleman I bought it from, neither of them drove the car. When Mike Baruzza owned it, he would put it on a trailer, go to a national event, win a first prize or a senior award, put it back on the trailer, and take it home. And his wife wouldn't let him drive it.
Can I lean in here a little bit?
Yeah. And finally he decided to sell it because his wife wouldn't let him drive it. And out of respect, I said, Mike, if I buy the car, I'm going to drive it. He said, I don't care. It'll be your car.
Yeah.
I didn't want to offend him
Yeah.
after all the work that he did to get it to a senior level status.
Now, this car has a digital dash, digital speedometer.
Yeah.
That's, I guess, in green.
Yes.
Can you turn the key, I guess? We can take a peek at that. It's a really pretty car. I really like the color combination. It's very classy looking.
It really is. So
there goes the mileage.
4,651.
Look at that mileage. Amazing.
And it is a 6-digit digital odometer, so there's no questioning that it's original actual mileage.
Yeah, well, it doesn't look like it went over. Can we open the back door?
Yeah.
Has anybody ever sat back here? Do you know?
I sat back there once.
Did you?
And I did have some friends of mine. We went to get coffee or something, and we gave them a ride back there.
Well, how tall are you, Mike?
I'm 6'6".
6'6". So you're a big man.
Yeah.
And you fit back here comfortably?
Oh yeah, like this seat's all the way back, the driver's seat, and my knees touch the back of the seat. But other than that, it's comfortable back here.
And that seat's about as far back as it's going to go?
This seat is pretty much as far back as it'll go. Yeah.
I think you're comfortable back there.
Reasonably, yeah.
Now this door panel, I guess this is your ashtray?
Sure, ashtray, and of course everybody got a lighter. I don't think the lighter's in there at the moment, but it's put away somewhere.
Yep. And I see it's got a little bit of sparkly design in there.
A little metallic?
Yeah, a little metallic, I guess, at the top of the door.
Yeah.
The top of the ashtray door.
Yeah.
But this panel looks beautiful. The Elegance, it says. No wear back here at all.
No.
This little closed window here on the door, I guess, it's not really an opera window, but I guess you could call it an opera window.
Yeah, I mean,
all Broughams had that?
All Broughams, and I think back in the 70s and 80s, the sedan DeVilles had, a sail window or opera window. I think it was in 88 or 89 for Broughams. Cadillac put this extra sort of bit of leather or vinyl treatment on the outside, just to distinguish it from, because the sedan DeVilles in the 80s were still rear-wheel drive cars. I forget when they finally changed over to front-wheel drive.
Now, this has the wider rocker moldings down bottom?
Yeah, and those were standard on Broughams.
Were they?
Yeah.
All Broughams came with them in gray, I guess? Yeah,
that I think was standard. Some folks, I guess aftermarket, would paint them to match the body color.
Okay.
And, that's nice, especially with the chrome underneath.
Yeah, I noticed they wrapped the corner around the front and made it like an impact strip to match the rocker panel. Yeah. Which is pretty nice.
I just kept it stock.
And this has the single large headlights. Previous years had
they had two individual, previous years up until 1990. This was the first year with a single, headlamp assembly. But up through 89, it was two individual lamps for low beam and high beam. This was, Cadillac's attempt at getting more European look.
Yeah.
Going up against Mercedes-Benz.
It's still a big car. It's body on frame.
Yes, this is body on frame.
V8. Can we look at the passenger side?
Yeah.
And I like, before we open the door, I like the trim here.
Yeah.
It runs all the way along the
very
top.
Elegant.
Is that a Elegance or a Brougham thing?
This is just a Brougham thing. This was standard on Broughams.
And I see you've got the opera window.
The opera window.
Upper light, I should say.
Yep.
With the chrome around it. Looks very nice. How's that the passenger side look?
Yeah, looks good.
Look at the leather on this side. It really looks like it's never been sat in. And this is a console. Can I open that?
Yeah.
Look at this. With the cup holder.
A little flimsy cup holder, but
it's a cup holder. Pretty neat thing to have.
They were still a novel thing in the 90s, cup holders.
How about the trunk? Can we look at the trunk?
Yeah. I think I can pop it from here with the engine for the car on. Yeah.
Very, very big trunk compartment.
Yep.
You've got the felt lining, which is nice.
Yep. That was standard.
You have all the brochures and the paperwork?
Yeah, the Cadillac brochure. And for Brougham, I mean, this color was the poster child for this model.
Yeah, look at that.
Dark maple red leather seating.
And it has the spoked wire wheels, too.
And yeah. And if you look closely, there's subtle differences. The center cap on these appliance wheels was more of a hexagon shape versus a round shape.
Yeah.
But I think the ones that are on there still look good.
It looks fantastic with those wheels. And you have the original window sticker, I see.
Yeah, this is a reproduction, but I do have the original. And you can see what was included with the Elegance package, the leather seating area. This also has the trailer towing package, which includes the 5.7 liter V8 engine. Okay. Also includes a heavier duty alternator, heavier duty cooling system with, I believe, a transmission fluid cooler. Okay. Again, standard steel wheels with wire locking wheel covers, gold ornamentation. And then part of the Elegance, I believe, was the leather wrapped steering wheel. And then the tufted leather as opposed to just leather stitched.
These are all the other options?
These are all the standard equipment on a Brougham.
Okay. And these are added options?
And these are the added options.
How about that? And a whopping price of...
That was a lot of money in 1990.
$33,000.
Yeah.
$33,035. Well, that's Cadillac money, all right.
Yep.
And you have, I see, a book with all the maintenance records?
Well, this is actually a competitive comparison guide that was available to Cadillac dealer salespeople.
Yeah.
Showing
what is that underneath it? That little leather pouch thing there.
This is just a case that I put together.
Right here. Is this all
that's a mileage and maintenance log. I decided with such a low mileage car, it would be a good idea to document the miles that I've put on it over the years, including when I purchased it and what have you. So that's what this is, just to document where it's been and the mileage that I've accumulated over the years.
Well, it's nice to have.
Yeah.
I guess you didn't inherit very much in that regard because there wasn't very many miles on it.
No, well, like I said, when I bought it from the previous owner, it was still riding on its original tires. So it was a little white knuckle driving home that first time. So that was one of the first things I had to do was put new tires on the car. Looking back, I wish I had gone a little bit extra and gotten, reproductions of the Uniroyal Royal Seal tires, which was what came on this car. I believe they were standard.
Well, yeah, that could still be done. Can we take a look at the engine compartment?
Yeah.
See what powers this thing. Now, this is a pretty long car. I'm sure it's very heavy. Any idea what it weighs?
Off the top of my head, no.
Now, this is a corporate 5.7, would you say?
It's a General Motors 5.7 liter.
Okay.
I believe they were sharing this engine block with the other marques.
Look how clean this is. This is textbook right here.
Yeah, the only thing that's been replaced, I believe, the water pump I had to replace either 2 or 3 years ago.
This is very clean. Even the plastic components look brand new. And I see on top of the air breather it says 5.7 liter fuel injection, built for Cadillac by General Motors. Right. But if this is a Cadillac specific motor, I'm sure somebody will tell us. But as far as we know, it's a corporate 5.7 liter.
Right.
How's it run for you?
Fantastic.
What kind of mileage you get?
Gas mileage?
Yeah.
I haven't driven it enough to really know for sure, but on the highway, if you're not pressing it too much, you can get about 20, which is what it's rated at for highway.
Pretty good for a big, heavy car.
Yeah.
Can you start it up for us?
Sure.
I guess this car will always be a show car to some degree, even though you're starting to drive it now.
That's my hope, is
Yeah.
to keep it as a very presentable, senior award-winning show car. But I do like driving my cars. I enjoy driving them.
No taps, no rattles,
Oh
nothing.
no.
Smooth as can be. Beautiful car. I think it ended up in the right hands, Mike. I'm glad you got it.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
Well, folks, tell me what you think. 1991?
1990.
1990 Cadillac Brougham d'Elegance. Leave your comments below. Definitely like and subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you on the next one. Thank you, Mike.
Thank you.